Well, hello guys, I told you I won't be this long this time around, so I am back with another video, and today's video is for the sneaker lovers, for all the sneaker lovers in the house, especially I think I would say for the guys, because these ones today are for actually unisex. We can say unisex because yeah, both men and women can wear these. So if you're into sneakers, just keep on watching. This is what I'm talking about. Look at what we have over here. Like, does anyone know about Adidas Neo? I mean, this was the very first time I saw this packaging, like this green. I'd never seen something like this. When I saw it at first, I was like, is this Adidas? Like, what is this really? I was confused, but as long as there's Adidas on it, I know that it was original shoes. So I'm all here for original Adidas. So that's why we are here today, this Adidas Neo. So we have 3 pairs, just like you can see over here. And we're gonna go through one by one. Let's see which one we begin with. Okay. So like I said, these are mostly, I wouldn't really say guys, unisex. So over here we have the first pair as these are, what are these called? Scholars? Do people call these scholars? Where did I get that word scholars? These are open ones. So these come like these, and these are called, let me see, what are these called? Oh my goodness, Adidas sandal. See it over there, guys. So that's the name of these particular sandal. So it's a sandal and it says unisex. Oh, I thought it's just for men. So these, of course, these aren't mine. I got these as gifts, and it really looks so beautiful. Just remove 2 of these, and this is how it looks like. This is a size 38. It looks very small. I don't even know how it's a 38, but the quality is really beautiful. You can tell that it's really beautiful and that it's gonna last. And under, you can see it over there. So this is it, Adidas Neo. What is Adidas Neo? Somebody tell me, what is Adidas Neo? But the only thing that's important over here is to know that this is Adidas. That's all that we need to know. And yeah, they're really great, really wonderful. So this is the first pair. Let's go on to the next. Next, here we have, this is called the Grand Court. You can see it over there. It's called Grand Court, and it says here women. Why does it say women? I felt like it really looked too boyish for me. It looked too feminine. I mean, it looked too masculine. Like it looks like it's for, I don't know. Anyway, so here is the shoe. See it over there. Again, I bought these for a boy. So this is gonna be, see it over there. It's really beautiful. Maybe the reason as to why they say women is because of the color. Yeah, I think it's because of the color, but it's so wonderful. As you can see it over there in the back, it has this Adidas logo, and of course it's leather. You can tell that it's leather, and it's really heavy. Over there, let me see, on the tongue, of course it has the famous Adidas logo. And inside, the difference between this Adidas and my previous Adidas that I have, I mean, I don't know, maybe this is what makes it different from the Neo collection. Should I call it a collection? Is Neo a collection? I don't know. So the inside, the insole, as you can see in there, it says cloud foam. See, you see it over there, and it's in this color that is, I don't understand, I can't even take it out. But my other Adidas, they're like, the insole isn't like this. It's actually different. Like, I think it's blue, and it doesn't have these, you see those dots that are in there. So this is completely a different style in Adidas. So I don't know what this Neo is all about, but all I know is these are great quality shoes and the leather is really wonderful. So this is a gray, is this gray or silver? It kind of looks like silver gray. Yeah, so this is a size, this is in a size 37 and a half, 37 and a third, US 6. Really beautiful. I think they are gorgeous. So of course I'm not gonna try these on for you guys because they aren't really mine, but I bought them for, like, I'm gonna be gifting these to some special people in my life. Yep, so this is that. And last but not least, another Adidas Neo. I don't even know if that's that's how they pronounce the word. So this one still say Grand Court, and for this particular pair it says Unisex, but it's almost the same shoe as the one that I've just shown you, only that it's in a different color. So here is the shoe. So this is it. They say it's unisex, but to me this really looks too boyish. This is for men. Which woman? Like anyway, maybe if you play tennis. I think for the women who play tennis, this would be really great for them. Maybe that's the reason they call them Grand Court. I don't know. So here is this shoe, still the same material as the other. It's leather, and this one has black stripes, typical Adidas logo, black 3 stripes, and the tongue is in black with Adidas, of course. The back has black and Adidas. This other one doesn't have black, actually it's just white. See this difference? Yeah, but they are the same shoe, just different color. And the inside, the insole is the same as the other one. It says cloud foam. You can see it over there. So these were actually a bit interesting to me, but like I said, it's Adidas and that's all I care about. Is it Adidas? As long as it says it's Adidas and I know that these are authentic because of where I bought them, I'm like, we are good to go. So these are these, and I'm sure they are gonna enjoy these. Whoever's gonna wear these, they are really going to enjoy, because these are really great quality. The leather is wonderful, and yeah, I really love them. Not for myself though. It always makes you feel good when you know that you're gonna give out something that is really good, and you know that whenever whoever is gonna use this is done with it, is gonna be able to give it away to another person when it's still in good shape. Yeah, that's very, very important to me, and you can tell that this is really gonna stay for a while. The inside, by the way, the insole, not the insole, but this, it's mesh, just like the other Adidases that I have. Like around here, it's mesh. Yeah, so that is that for the Adidas Neo. Somebody tell me what Adidas Neo is. Here we are, and the sandals, the sandal, they are really very light, very, very light. So yeah, this marks the end of today's video. I hope you found it interesting. Have you heard of Adidas Neo? Do you know anything about Adidas Neo? Yes, somebody just tell me what this means, or is it an existing collection? I don't really know. I don't know, but all I know is it's Adidas, and I love Adidas. I don't know about you, but I love Adidas. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts below down in the comment section, and see you in another video pretty soon.